welcome to my vlog. This is the view from our Airbnb slash apartment. So this is the neighborhood. This is the balcony, and what I love here is, the rocks, and it's so cool to have this design. And we have 3 rooms here. So we're just putting this for the meantime, since we're still coming up with the designs. This will be, I don't know, painted white, I think. And then, so let's go to the rooms. So this area is open so that air can pass. And then, so we have ordered gold labels for the rooms. So I think this is room 1. This is Cuarto A or Cuarto room 1, but I'm just gonna show you guys. First, we have, this is a studio room, loft type. Okay, so when you enter, this is the switch for the embedded lights, of course. And this is the stairs going to your loft. So that is a single bed loft. And then we also have a switch on top, so you won't have to go down to turn off the light. And here is my most proud moment, the arched mirror, in which I suggested it should be arched. But I didn't expect it to be like nippies, but either way, it's still super cute and super minimalist. So another thing that I requested was this knob. I requested it to be gold, but the wood feel is much better. So this is for the clothes, the rod, the things here, and another 2-tier storage. And here would be the chair and the makeup area, or the thing, or you don't know what they would be doing in front of this mirror. So this is the mirror, and this is the window, and look at the sky. It's so freaking pretty. Oh my gosh. So this is room 1. We also have aircon. This is an inverter aircon. This is brand new. And then to our left, we have the very messy but very aesthetic sink. Okay, so my plan here is rice cooker, kettle, cooking materials here. And then for the storage at the bottom, so things won't get messy. And then here we have the very aesthetic bathroom, which is the door still isn't attached yet. But here is the bathroom. We have the toilet. We're still missing the shower and the bidet, but I'm in love with the tiles here. We also have the exhaust, which opens together with the lights. So this is the cute area. So here we have the option to put a couch or some tables and chairs. I'm gonna show you the room with good for 2. So room 3, and then here we have the room that is good for 2 persons. So still loft type. 2 beds here, 1 bed here, another bed there. 2 dressers, still lacking the knobs, but it's so cute already. Still with the mirror here, and the stairs going to the bed. Aircon is facing here, and then this one is kind of different since the countertop is tiles. I forgot to tell my father that I really wanted the one with the same as room 1, but this was the only tiles that was available at that time. But yeah, it's still super cute. And this is the sink with no water. And then still the biggest storage here. the CR with the exhaust, the lights which are embedded, and we're gonna have to put up some signs here. Do not flush. Napkins, toiletries on the toilet, but yeah, this is the favorite part, the dresser, which is so cute, and I'm so in love with the design. I just want to see the wooden knobs over here. But yeah, this is the room good for two, loft type, still loft type. And here is the window. Okay guys, I'm gonna show you the room. Room C. This is almost finished. So yeah, it's still loft type. Every room is loft type, but this one's already clean. So yeah, super cute. I love the tiles. I love everything. The color theme for Cuarto is gray, brown, beige, and green. So there are like 4 colors for this churva. And yeah, here's the view. So this one is the fire exit, and you're gonna need to open, but you can chill here, tambay and everything. That's it guys, bye.